Hey guys, welcome. Right in front of you, I have a gold proof coin. This one happens to be a 1979 $100 golden elephant. It is by the Republic of Liberia. It is minted by the Franklin Mint. Now, as far as in the specs of this, it is 26.1 millimeters in diameter. Its thickness is 1.5 millimeters. And according to my scale, the weight is at 11.17 grams. It is 90% gold. As far as in the other composition, I don't know at this time. And the total mintage is not provided for this particular coin. I don't know the mintage myself, and I'm still trying to research it. Let's take a closer look. Once again, this is the 1979 gold proof $100 golden elephant by the Republic of Liberia. Thanks for joining me. Till next time.